This is a 2005 Lincoln Aviator, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. Its top features and packages include a power moonroof, a DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, stylish premium wheels, running boards, fog lamps, traction control, park distance control, and a trailer towing package. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
South Suburban Mitsubishi is the #1 volume dealer in the Midwest. Visit us online, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 25963 South Governors Highway, just minutes off I-57 in Monee. Get greater value from the store that gives you more.